So, good day po everyone. This is my assessment for SEEN. Why is from handling and validation important in web development, particularly in terms of data integrity and security? From handling and validation are essential because they ensure data integrity and application security. Data integrity. Validation ensures that only correct and properly formatted data is stored in your database. For example, preventing invalid email format or blank required field from being submitted. Number two, what are some key Laravel features that help prevent security vulnerabilities such as SQL injection and cross-site requests forgery or CSRF when handling from data? Laravel includes several built-in security features. Eloquent ORM and Query Builder automatically protect against SQL injection by using parameter binding instead of manually concatenating SQL strings, creating a basic from in Laravel with blade and handling submission in a controller. In Laravel, handling from forms involves three main parts. Number one, creating the form view using blade template. Two, defining the route for from submission. Three, writing a controller method to handle the form data and apply validation rules. And number four is how can customizing validation error messaging improve the user experience in a web application? Provide an example of how would you customize and display validation error messaging in a blade template. Why it matters customizing validation message makes feedback clearer, friendlier, and more specific, improving user experience and inducing frustration. For number five is what are the benefits of centralizing validation logic in Laravel application and how does this contribute to the maintainability of a web application? Centralized validation often done via form request classes makes your code cleaner, more reusable, and easier to maintain. Benefits? Kunai. Separation of concerns keeps controllers focused on business logic instead of cluttered validation rules. Reusability. The same validation rules can be reused across different controllers or routes. Consistency ensures uniform validation rules across the app. Maintainability. Easier to update or change rules in one place. What is the role of middleware in Laravel's authentication system, and how does it help protect routes and resources from unauthorized access? Middleware acts as filter that process HTTP requests before they reach your application controllers. In Laravel authentication system, middleware ensures that only authorized users can access certain routes or resources. How does Laravel built-in authentication system handle users' registration and login, including the management of session tokens and the validation of input data? Laravel's built-in authentication via PHP Artisan make auth in order versions or Laravel GRIS, Jetstream or Fortify in Never version. Provides everything needed for secure login and registration. User registration. User submits form with details like name, email, and password. Validation ensures the data is correct. Password is hash using bcrypt before saving the database. 3. Explain the importance of security measures like SQL injection prevention and XCSS protection in login and registration forms. How does Laravel assess in preventing these vulnerabilities? Why these measures matter? SQL injection attackers inject malicious SQL queries to manipulate the database. XSS, cross-site scripting. Attackers inject JavaScript code into web pages to steal data or hijack sessions. What is the purpose of the update operation in Laravel, and how would you handle form submissions to modify existing data entries in the database? The update operation how allows users to modify existing records in the database. 5. In terms of scalability, how can Laravel authentication system be adapted to handle a growing number of users and requests? As your application grows, Laravel provides flexible ways to scale authentication efficiently. Session 1 management. Store sessions in Redis or database instead of local files for faster performance. Redis can handle millions of concurrent sessions efficiently. 2. Token-based authentication for APIs. Use Laravel Sanctum or Passport for API token authentication instead of session. Tokens are stateless, they don't require server-side session stories. Perfect for mobile app, SPAS, or microservices. Load balancing and caching. Mobile session arrange with balancing and distributed cache. Cache users per permissions or tokens to reduce database queries for quiz and background jobs. Handle heavy authentication related process as asynchronously using Laravel quiz. And number 5 is scalable users providers. Laravel supports custom user providers, allowing you to authenticate users from external APIs or distributed database if needed. Number 1 for assessment 3. What are the key steps involved in implementing the data operation in Laravel, and how do blade views and form handling play a role in this process? The create operation is the first step in CRUD, which means create, read, update, and delete. It allows users to add new data to the database. Explain the importance of data validation and sanitization in CRUD operation. How does Laravel ensure security when handling user input during this operation? Importance. Validation ensures that only valid and correctly formatted data enters the database. Sanitization cleans input data to prevent malicious code injection. Number 3, describe how you would implement the read operation Laravel to retrieve and display data from the database using both a controller method and read view. The read operation displays stored data usually in a table or list format. What is the purpose of the update operation in Laravel, and how would you handle form submissions and modify existing data entries in database? The update operation allows users to modify existing records in the database. How can you ensure that the delete operation in Laravel is secure and prevents accidental or unauthorized data removal? What role does validation play in this process? delete. How can you ensure that delete operation in Laravel is secure and prevents accidental or unauthorized data removal? What role does validation play in this process? Deleting data is irreversible, so it must be protected and intentional. For assessment number 4 is, what is the purpose of Google reCAPTCHA, and how does it enhance the security of web application when integrated with Forms? Purpose. Google reCAPTCHA is free security service that protects websites from spam, abuse, and automated bot attacks. It ensures that form submissions like logins, registration, or contact forms are made by real humans, not automated scripts. And for number 2, describe the process of obtaining and registering reCAPTCHA site and secret keys from Google. Why it is important to update the domain when moving from localhost to a production environment. Step 1. To create get reCAPTCHA keys, go to Google reCAPTCHA main console, click let's create to register a new site. Choose the reCAPTCHA type. And 4, enter your domains. For local development, localhost. For production, yourdomain.com. And 4, accept terms and submit. 6, Google provides 2 keys, site keys. For site keys is used in your form. Front end, secret key, use your server to verify responses. Number 3, how would you integrate reCAPTCHA into a Laravel form? Outline the steps from installing the necessary package to adding the reCAPTCHA field in the form. Step 1, install Laravel reCAPTCHA package. You could use the Kobo no CAPTCHA package, no one most popular. And this is the code for that. Step 2, add keys to ANV. Step 3, add reCAPTCHA field in Blade form. 4, explain how to validate reCAPTCHA responses in Laravel. What role do the reCAPTCHA secret keys plays in this validation process? When a user submits a form with reCAPTCHA, Google sends a tokens reCAPTCHA response back to your server. You must validate this token with Google's APIs using your secret keys. How can you customizing errors messages for failed reCAPTCHA attempts improves your experience? Provide an example of how you would handle reCAPTCHA errors in a Laravel controller. Why custom errors messaging improve UX? Users understand what went wrong. Please verify your human answers. Friendly, clear messaging encourage retrying instead of frustration. It reinforces trust that your site is secure but user-friendly. And that's what we all. Thank you for listening.